Hello. Today I'll show you how to change women's Swatch watch battery, saving your time and money without having to go the watch workshop. As you can see, these two Swatch watches have the same type battery installation type, under a small cover. This type of cover is the easiest to open. To make this job easier, buy some watch repair tools and of course a new AG9 or LR936 battery. Take a tool to open the battery cover, you can use a screwdriver also. Unscrew battery cover. And then take out the old battery, but remember how it was put in, so you know how to put the new battery in properly. Then take the new replacement battery and put it in the same way as the old battery. Check that the watch is working. If it ticks, then you can safely screw the cover back on. Do this carefully, as it also acts as a waterproof cap. All that's left is to set the exact time, so you're always on time again and not late. If you found this video useful, don't forget to say thank by clicking like.